How to order a new debit or credit card through the Barclays app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you the ways to order a new debit or credit card through the Barclays app. So you can typically order a new debit or credit card through the Barclays app. Here is how you can do it. First of all, launch the Barclays mobile banking app on your device and log in using your credential. You can look for an option within the app's menu, especially related to card services or managing your card. And this option might be labeled as manage cards or card service, something similar. Once you've accessed the card services section, you can look for the option to order a new card. This option is typically displayed for quick access, and if you have both debit and credit card associated with your Barclays account, select the type of card you wish to order. And Barclays may ask you to specify the reason for ordering a new card, such as lost or stolen expiration of the current card, or simply requesting a replaced card. Now review the details associated with your current card, such as card number, expiry date, to ensure accuracy. If any details need to be updated, you may have the option to do so before proceeding with the order. Now confirm the order and follow the on-screen prompt, and that's basically how you can order a new debit or credit card through the Barclays app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.